Order 37 of CPC 1908. Order 37 provides for a summary suit or summary procedure for negotiable instruments. A summary suit is a special and fast way of exercising a claim in an efficient way, because in this procedure, judges pronounce decision without listening to the defense. Though this appears to be a violation of the basic principles of natural justice, that is audi alteram partem, that no one should be convicted without a hearing, this method is only applied in circumstances in which the defendant has no defense. Now coming to the procedure in summary suits. So there is a proper procedure that has to be followed while bringing a suit under Order 37 of the CPC. Firstly, the plaintiff files a complaint. Secondly, summons are given to the defendant to be present in court. Summon must include the sum of money that is claimed in the litigation as well as copy of the plaint. The defendant must appear within 10 days of receiving the summon. If the defendant fails to attend, the claim is presumed acknowledged and the plaintiff is entitled to a decision in an amount not exceeding the sum specified in the summon. If the defendant appears within 10 days, he must provide notice of his attendance to the plaintiff's counsel or to the plaintiff himself, and he must also submit in court an address for service of notice on him. After receiving the defendant's notification of presence, the plaintiff issues him with a summon for judgment. The defendant should ask for permission to defend within 10 days of receiving the summons, and such permission will be given only if the defendant declaration reveals information that the court thinks is adequate to allow to defend. Now, what is the procedure for the appearance of a defendant? The defendant does not have any right to defend his or her case under summary procedure. The defendant must produce his presence by itself or through pleaders within 10 days of receiving the summons. The defendant must notify such attendance to the plaintiff's pleader or the plaintiff personally on the day of making the presence. If the defendant makes an appearance, the plaintiff must then issue a summons for judgment on the defendant. The defendant may apply for notice to defend and such a suit by affidavit or discloses such factual information as may be deemed fit to enable him to protect any time within 10 days of the delivery of such summons. Such defense shall not be denied unless the court believes that the fact revealed by the defendant are ineffective. When we talk about how Order 37 CPC benefits the plaintiff, the main advantage of Order 37 suit is that the plaintiff is entitled to a judgment immediately if the defendant fails to establish that he has a sufficient defense in his case. Summary proceedings are legal remedies for recovering money, resolving business transactions, and resolving contractual disputes. In comparison to a regular suit, such proceedings are often easier to establish the plaintiff's case and are more difficult for the defendant's side. So this was all about summary suit from my side, that is Order 37. I hope you like this video. If you have any query, please feel free to comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching.